Nutcracker Noel by Kate McMullan, retold by Hannah. Noel has always wanted to be in a real ballet. The teacher, Mrs. Olga, said that they will be doing a ballet called the Nutcracker, and Noel is excited. When Noel heard that she was going to be a tree, she wasn't very happy. She wanted to be a doll like Mia instead. Noel thinks about how it would be like to be a green and prickly tree. At rehearsals, Noel pays attention. She did what her teacher said and imagined she was a tree. During dress rehearsal, Noel couldn't find a tree costume. She saw other costumes instead. Suddenly, Noel had on a sparkling tree costume with glittering snow. Will Noel be happy just being a tree? Read Nutcracker Noel to find out.